Let us simplify these roots. Cube root of 5 raised to the power 6. Fifth root of 3 raised to the power 15. And fourth root of 2 raised to the power 16. It is very simple. 5 raised to the power 6 over 3, which is 3 divided 1, 3 divided 2, 5 raised to the power 2, which is 25. This is 3 raised to the power 15 over 5, which is 3. 5 divided 1, 5 divided 3, 3 raised to the power 3, which is 3 times 3 times 3, which is 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Then, this is 2 raised to the power 16 over 4, which is 4 divided itself 1, 4 divided 4. I have 2 raised to the power 4, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. 16 becomes our answer. Please comment, like, share, and follow me for more.